The new S-Class combines beautiful design with a luxurious feeling of spaciousness. It's longer, wider, taller and more spacious on the inside than the previous S-Class. At 5 meters 21 centimeters, the new standard wheelbase model is nearly as long as the previous long wheelbase model, whilst the new long wheelbase model has grown 49 millimeters in length and is 7 millimeters taller. It gives the driver 38 millimeters more elbow room and the rear passengers 40 millimeters more legroom as well as 16 millimeters more headroom, making this S-Class the most spacious ever. The new S-Class is also as practical as it is luxurious, with a large boot providing 505 litres of luggage space, 20 litres more than the previous S-Class. This growth in size is coupled with a new design where the control units are cleverly hidden behind the boot's flatter sides to improve access. This means that the new S-Class can not only still accommodate large bulky items like 4 golf bags, it can do it more easily. The advanced aerodynamic design mixes warm air from the engine with cold air, directing it into the specially designed air chambers that improve the airflow around the front wheels. This reduces the drag coefficient, making it one of the world's most aerodynamic cars. The modern exterior, with its cleverly contoured surfaces and graceful lines, shows a continuous and uninterrupted profile thanks to the new flush-fitting door handles. This design feature is further enhanced with the inclusion of keyless go, so the door handles automatically extend when the driver approaches, with the powered soft closing doors adding that final finesse. The AMG line styling adds detail with chrome trim and a more sporty look, thanks to the AMG front apron with its large air intakes and chrome fins. It retains the iconic S-Class grille and bonnet-mounted star, and despite the fact the frontal area of the new S-Class is slightly larger than its predecessor, it's actually more aerodynamic. The new aluminium steel hybrid body shell is more than 60% aluminium, making it 30 kilograms lighter than before, whilst at the same time meeting the highest standards of safety and delivering extremely high ride quality and low noise characteristics. Even though it's grown in length, the body shell has been engineered to increase its rigidity, enabling the S-Class to perform extremely well in more dynamic driving modes, without conceding any of its famously high levels of interior comfort. The new digital light headlamp technology, which comes as part of the Premium Plus package, makes driving at night easier and improves safety for the driver and other road users. These highly advanced headlamps house 3 extremely powerful LEDs, which are refracted and directed by 1.3 million micro mirrors, controlled by a powerful graphics processor. This makes the automatic high beam assist 100 times more precise when detecting other road users. It also enhances the light distribution for all the other adaptive light functions, optimizing illumination for different driving situations like motorways, city driving and driving in fog. The ultra-range high beam illuminates the road ahead so effectively it feels like you're driving in daylight. The inside of the new S-Class combines highly advanced technology with a wide range of luxurious materials to create a feel-good ambience that is both elegant and relaxed. The high-quality wood trim and Napa leather seats create a classic lounge character, which is complemented by the contemporary design of the dashboard with its modern architecture and digital displays. Every detail has been meticulously designed and built with advanced materials and manufacturing techniques, from the multifunction steering wheel to the seat controls and door handles. Every interface and surface conveys a feeling of modern luxury. The new S-Class brings with it unique technological innovations that deliver an unprecedented driving experience. The next generation of MBUX, the Mercedes-Benz user experience, is 50% more powerful than its predecessor, with significantly more RAM and storage memory than a high-spec computer. It powers ever more complex and demanding onboard systems, updates itself over the air, and is capable of natural voice interactions in 27 different languages. The optional augmented reality head-up display projects animated navigational arrows and other relevant information onto the windscreen with the equivalent viewing area of a 77-inch display. The information appears as if it were on the road 10 meters ahead of the driver, allowing them to follow route guidance and maintain complete situational awareness without taking their eyes from the road. The possibilities for personalization and intuitive operation have become far more extensive with the inclusion of a fingerprint scanner and facial recognition. Up to 7 profiles can now be created with around 800 personalised parameters stored in the cloud with Mercedes Me. Safety is enhanced and navigation made easier with the groundbreaking 3D driver display. The highly advanced eye tracking technology precisely monitors the position of the driver's eyes, so it can then cleverly simulate a fully 3D image of the current driving environment on the driver's display. It shows other road users, along with warning and navigation information in 3 dimensions without the need for 3D glasses. Whilst the previous generation of S-Class was already acknowledged for its low levels of interior noise, the new S-Class is even quieter, thanks to the use of body shell acoustic foam for the first time. The foam is injected into the body shell sections during manufacture, forming an acoustic barrier, which significantly reduces sound transmission inside the car. With that added quietness and the optional Burmester 3D surround sound system, the S-Class offers an acoustic experience that is unsurpassed. The Burmester multi-dimensional 3D surround sound is delivered through 15 speakers, which collectively produce 710 watts of perfectly crafted sound. The beautifully designed 12.8-inch OLED centrally mounted media display with haptic feedback responds 50% faster than previous touchscreen displays, with a screen area that's 64% larger, putting both the driver and their passenger in control with just a touch. The Hey Mercedes virtual assistant is also more intelligent than ever, now recognising instructions or requests from any seat in the car, indicating the current speaker with the ambient lighting system. It also listens more carefully and is better able to understand key requests, enabling occupants to do things like making a call without needing to say, "Hey Mercedes." The active multi-contour front seats that come with the Premium Plus package utilise 14 different motors for seat adjustment and massage programs, and for the first time the new S-Class includes energising seat kinetics, which makes small adjustments to the seat surface and backrest, relaxing muscles and improving circulation. The seats also make use of a further 5 fan motors for climatisation, and the Nappa leather itself is micro-perforated with 16,000 needles to improve ventilation. This attention to detail makes the new S-Class one of the most comfortable places you're ever likely to find yourself. As you'd expect from the S-Class, plenty of enhancements have been made for the benefit of the rear passengers too. The new standard fit rear seats on the long wheelbase models are fully electrically adjustable with a 3-position memory and can be heated and cooled to the ideal temperature. The backrest reclines to an angle of 37 degrees, and the head restraint has its own cushion that adds an extra touch of opulence and additional comfort. The executive package adds even more luxury for rear passengers with electric sunblinds in the rear doors and rear window, enhancing privacy and comfort at the press of a button. The chauffeur package enables the front seat to move significantly further forward, making more room for the rear passenger. The executive package also includes a rear tablet for passengers to control the MBUX multimedia system and comfort settings. This fully fledged 7-inch tablet also provides access to the internet and Android apps. The active ambient lighting, which is available as part of the premium package, is now integrated into the driving assistance systems and reinforces alerts visually. It also gives corresponding visual feedback for other functions such as the climate control and the Hey Mercedes voice assistant. The active ambient lighting contains an individual LED light element every 1.6 centimetres, around 250 in all. The new S-Class also features an in-car communication function that makes conversation between the occupants more comfortable by cancelling background noise and amplifying speech through the speakers. As a finishing touch, the designer belt buckles maintain the interior's exclusive character down to the finest detail. The belt buckle illumination pulsates when you are fastening your seatbelt and remains illuminated when the vehicle is stationary and travelling at low speed. Thanks to improved sensors, the parking assist systems give the driver even better support when manoeuvring at low speed and open up more potential spaces for parking. Operation is faster and more intuitive thanks to integration into MBUX, and optional features such as the 360-degree camera and remote parking function make parking the S-Class in even the tightest of spots easier than ever. The The new Mercedes-Benz S-Class has become more intelligent in many ways, taking the driving experience to the next level. The driving assistance package that comes as standard supports the driver with numerous new and extended systems. It's equipped with 5 radar sensors, 5 cameras and 12 ultrasonic sensors acting as its eyes and ears, working in conjunction with navigation data and live traffic information to understand its surroundings and dynamically handle braking and acceleration in response to the traffic situation ahead. The assistance systems reduce the driver's workload in day-to-day situations and are ready to respond when the situation demands, making the new S-Class the safest car Mercedes-Benz has ever made. Active Braking Assist has increased its operating speed, enhancing safety in emergency situations. Active Distance Assist Distronic now responds to stationary road users and prevents collisions at higher speeds than the previous system. Active Emergency Stop Assist now operates in manual mode as well as distronic. Active Blind Spot Assist can now detect when occupants are about to leave the car and warn them of potential hazards, such as an approaching cyclist, by displaying a visual warning pattern through the ambient lighting system. Active Evasive Steering Assist also operates at higher speeds and can now help avoid collisions with cyclists, the end of traffic tailbacks, as well as pedestrians. Active Lane Keeping Assist now uses steering intervention rather than braking intervention to help drivers stay in lane more comfortably, as well as indicating hazards via the ambient lighting. The S-Class comes with 5 comprehensive equipment lines packed with innovative features that ensure a superior driving experience for drivers and passengers alike. Topping the range, the S-Class Long AMG line Premium Plus Executive includes all of the technology and design features available, plus the executive package for rear passengers, making this S-Class the ultimate in comfort and luxury. Next in line is the S-Class Long AMG line Premium Plus with the highly advanced digital light ultra-range headlamps and active multi-contour climatized seats with massage and energizing functions. The S-Class Long AMG line Premium Executive comes with all the same high levels of equipment as the AMG line Premium, including the parking package with 360-degree camera and remote parking function, as well as the panoramic sunroof and the executive package for the rear passengers. The S-Class Long AMG line Premium, like the Premium Executive, comes with 20-inch alloy wheels, Burmester 3D surround sound and the groundbreaking 3D driver display. And starting the range, the S-Class AMG line introduces many of the innovative features which go towards making the S-Class such a clear leader in its class. All S-Class engines meet the highest Euro 60 standards, and all models come with the superb 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission. And for the first time, the S400D and S500 come with 4MATIC all-wheel drive, technology that continually adjusts the torque at each wheel to maximise grip and enhance cornering. The S350D's engine produces 286 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque, taking it from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds. The long-wheelbase S400D's engine develops 330 horsepower with 700 Nm of torque, accelerating it from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds. The S500 4MATIC with EQ boost combines a highly advanced 6-cylinder petrol engine with an integrated 48-volt starter generator to produce 435 horsepower and 520 Nm of torque. The EQ boost helps it to sprint to 62 miles per hour in a mere 4.9 seconds, as well as enabling it to recover energy during braking, ultimately improving overall performance and efficiency.